Hello everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel. How are you all doing? Really well, I hope. In this video, what I want to do is give you a quick overview of match betting golf offers, what you can expect to see with them, what the typical types of offers are, and how you should go about completing them. So, what I have done is I've logged into Profit Squirrel here. I'm in the daily offers section, and about halfway down you will see the current golf offers that we have. Now, golf offers, obviously like other offers, they change from time to time, but these two that we have up here are pretty typical of the sort of golf offers that you see. I'll go into those in a moment, but firstly I'll just say that golf is a really great daily offer thing to have in your arsenal because it is going all year round pretty much, and outside of the football season it's one of those sports that you want to be looking at along with the tennis, along with horse racing. It really is very good all year round and can be invaluable in the summer period to fill in the gaps when the football season is not in progress. So with that being said, let's take a look at the offers here. So the first type of offer we have is a golf extra place offer. So I'm going to click into that. And what we've done here is we haven't gone into too much detail as to how to complete the extra place offers. If you want to know that, if you're not sure how to do those, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to link below to a video I previously did, which is on extra place offers for horse racing. Now, the concept is exactly the same. You can watch that video and you can just replace the word horse racing with golf, and obviously the event is for a golf event. So that video will give you all of the details that you need, but in summary, essentially what you're doing is you're seeing that the bookmaker is paying out more places than the betting exchange. And if your golfer, in this case, finishes in one of the extra places, for example, if the bookmaker is paying out 10 places like Bowl Sports here, and the exchange is paying out 5, then you would hope that your golfer finishes between 5 and 10, because then what that means is you're going to get a payout from the bookmaker and at the betting exchange as well. So you can see here that we list the event, the Irish Open, the 3M Open as well. We tell you the day, and we've also just provided a little link to the odds checker website if you want to take a look and see what sort of odds are being offered, who are the favorites. In my experience of doing these offers, I would say go for golfers that are fairly good or sort of mid-range golfers, and those are the ones that are probably going to have the odds edging towards the sort of middle of the field. If you're seeing a lot of 1.0s, maybe go for someone around 2, 3.0, that sort of thing, to try and hit those extra places. Most of these bets are pre-tournament, so you want to put them on before the tournament starts. There's not much that happens in play for these types of offers. So that's one of the golf offers that you often see. Let's go back to the daily offers, kind of refund if offers. Again, they're kind of the standard way of doing things that you see quite often with match betting, and there are a few different bookmakers offering them as we put here. But basically the way it almost always works is that you place a bet on the winner of the tournament, and then if that selection is doing well leading at the end of the first round but then goes on not to win the tournament, that's when you get a refund. I would say that I don't like these offers quite as much as the extra place offers because I feel like they happen less often. However, if you can find a good match and get a small qualifying loss, or you can use the advanced setting on the match betting calculator to actually get 0 qualifying loss or very close to 0, then they are probably worth doing. And what I would typically do is pick one of the very good golfers in the field, someone with low odds if you don't know much about golf. If you do know a bit about golf, pick one of the big names that has been doing well lately, and you'll know from looking at golf that it's quite uncommon for a golfer to win back-to-back tournaments. But say for example the golfer has won the previous tournament, they might be in really good form going into this next tournament. So I think that makes it more likely that they could win the first round. Once you've done a few of these, you'll really get a feel for them, and if you do watch golf, you'll really understand how these offers kind of work. But as I said, they're not really my favorite golf ones because I don't think they occur that often. However, when they do work, they are very profitable. So if you can do them with a positive expected value, then give them a go, and they're a great addition for you to have there. And then also every now and again, going back to the daily offers, we do get the classic bet X get Y golf offers on special golf events. So there's a nice one at the moment here from the pools where it's bet 20 get £5, and it's really simple. You're just betting on the Irish Open, I believe. That's right, the Irish Open, and you're betting on the outright winner, a £20 pre-tournament bet, and you're going to get a £5 free bet as well to use in play. And this is a big event, so you're going to see a lot of liquidity in the sports markets. I recommend you use Smarkets to lay this off to benefit from the lower commission, and that should be quite an easy few pounds profit for you for just a few minutes work, really. So that's a bit of an overview of the golf offers. Make sure you check out my extra place guide below if you're not quite sure how to do those. And remember, to find your golf matches, you can simply open up the Profit Squirrel Odds Matcher, go into the filter on the right hand side, and you'll be able to limit the sports and select golf just there, hit apply, and what that will do, that will bring up the best golf matches for you, all within the Odds Matcher. Hit me up with any questions below. If you have any, let me know how you're getting on. Have you tried golf offers before? Have you found much success with them? Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Profit Squirrel for the latest in match betting and money making tips. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all again in another Profit Squirrel vlog really soon. Bye for now.